So guys, meron akong ipapakita sa inyo. Ayan o.
Dad, Rebecca plant.
O, dira lang, dira lang. Hanggang tuyo ka. Mga tingnan ha?
Oo! Ay, hindi ka rin, hindi ka rin. Ikaw pa lang yung body.
Ito ay tinatawag na bahag-bahag. Ito yung yan. Look at that. Bahag-bahag yan guys. See?
Yeah, that's a bahag there. It's very not dangerous. It poops. Oh God, it poops.
Ding.
Oh yeah, and here's a starfish. Sabi mo na nga ipakita sa starfish.
And that is star.